We just got these and I have honestly been playing with them for a couple days because I just think they are so cool. These are water balloons. I don't know about you, but I remember back in the day as a kid with water balloons, attaching them to the hose, trying to tie them. Oh, even just saying that, I can feel that pain in my fingers. So these ones here have an awesome magnet that will just close on its own and keep that water in there. Let me show you how easy it is to fill it up. You could just have like a big old bucket of water. You pop that in there and look, it just wants to close on its own. Look at, and it is completely full of water, ready for your water balloon fight. And I mean, also on the plus side, do you remember after your water balloon fight, when your parents made you clean up all the plastic all over? You're not going to have that anymore. These are reusable. So of course it is environmentally friendly, which is a huge plus. They do come in this awesome mesh bag. You have all kinds of different colors. You can get as few as 4 or as many as 18. I have the pack of 16. I cannot wait to throw one at my husband.